Actually, di ko alam kung ano yung feel ko eh. Because right now, medyo maraming competitor. Kasi sobrang laki na ng pool of climber. Everyone's actually really strong. So, I wasn't expecting na makakapasok pa rin ako sa, or mananalo pa ako actually. Pero I'm really happy na nanalo pa rin ako sa league.
Last year, you won silver, pero this year, medyo hindi ganun yung naging result. Ano siguro yung nakita mo pagbabago sa pool ngayon?
Yeah, so sa boulder kasi like everyone's really good at bouldering style. So, especially madami ng gym ngayon. Diba? Sobrang laki na or sobrang dami na ng bouldering gym. So, ang dami na talaga malakas. And yung lead, actually medyo few pa lang yung facilities ng lead compared to boulder. So, I think that's why medyo nakasabay pa rin ako sa lead.
Ano siguro yung nagbago
Picture daw ng
ginawa
check
mo
pa lang.
last year, kaya nakuha mo yung championship?
I think mas naging consistent lang ako dun sa lead compared to other discipline. Pero yun, so nag-pay off naman yung consistency. And yeah, I'm happy with that, with the result.
Alam ko last time we were talking about yung growth ng climbing community and grabe talaga yung sobrang warm, literally and figuratively yung reception ng community. Kamusta ba from last time nag-usap tayo to now?
Ayun, so as we talked about last time na sobrang lumaki yung community and yun talaga yung nagkaroon ng support ng government and then naging malaki yung community. So, yung pool of athletes are naging okay din. So, I think nagiging everyone's getting better. So, hopefully next year makapasok pa rin ako kung mapapala rin. Pero I'm gonna do my best.
Now that you got this gold in the bag, ano pa ba yung goals mo as a climber?
Well, usually if you're a climber, compared bukod dun sa competition, you wanna do outdoor. So after this competition, I wanna pursue more outdoor climbing after this. And then maybe I'll get back to more competition style.
Ano na lang siguro yung gusto mong ma-take away ng mga tao sa story mo as a climber?
Ayun, so for sure the discipline, hopefully the next generation will have discipline. Di lang talaga yung talent. Talent is just one part of the equation. The discipline and then yung eagerness mo to be good at kung ano yung discipline na gusto mo, either boulder or lead. So, ayun, just do your best, just keep going. Then yun lang, for sure it's gonna pay off eventually.
If tama naalala mo, you mentioned na coach ka din. Ano na lang siguro yung gusto mo matutunan ng students mo sa'yo?
Ayun, so for sure yung discipline. So I tried my best to be disciplined on this competition and then gawin lahat ng way to improve and to stay focused dun sa sport. And then, yeah.
Ano na next for you, coach? Ano bang, saan ka namin makikita pa mag-compete?
Honestly, competition, baka hindi na siya, this coming year, baka hindi na ganun kadalas. Kasi gusto ko na rin mag-coach. I wanna focus on developing athlete instead of just developing myself. And then more contributing to the community rather than just to myself. Yun, so, and sobrang happy naman ako na sobrang laki or sobrang ganda ng future ng climbing in the Philippines. For sure, next year, more, it's gonna be really, the young generation is gonna be really, really strong.